right, Dove, this is not your typical wide format roll material. What would you call this?
This is a rigid material. This is actually made out of chloroplast. This actually machine is like an all-in-one type of printer. It actually does roll-to-roll, and it actually does rigid materials. You notice on the bottom the rolls, so actually these tables actually move, and we could do banner rolls and any of the stuff like that, and it actually could do rigid material. This we print on anywhere chloroplast to PVC to foam board to acrylic, aluminum. Pretty much any rigid material that's printable, we print on.
Is it using UV?
Yeah.
Is that what I'm saying? Okay, because the UV allows it to go over and then it hits it with that light and it's cured, it's dry.
Exactly.
And
with registration marks, it goes straight onto the Colex, onto the cutter, and it, pretty much the same file, and it will cut it out down to the, millimeter.
technology just keeps getting better every year.
Yeah, this is our newest part of the business. Doing all different type of signage and party favors and those type of stuff. We definitely, there's a lot of creativity that goes involved. Not just printing just a long sign. This might even be going onto a bar. Actually, in front of the bar, for the event, it goes on in front of the bar. We've made pillars for people. I've done a job that actually someone recreated a room that looked like Penn Station, literally. You walk in, you had pillars looked like that and had graffiti on it, all printed from this machine. Down, it looked like you were walking into a train, a long wall, and it looked like you were actually about to walk into the subway train. It's actually very neat. This machine, this new part of the angle of the business is very, very neat and innovative.
Yeah, I mean, most shops that use DecoNetwork are primarily apparel shops, but I see a lot of signage starting to come because, I mean, at the end of the day on DecoNetwork, all this is a rectangle. So we can always upload a rectangle. It may not always be the best thing for the customer to design themselves, but being able to give them that high quality proof that you just put that on there, and then when they come back, you have the artwork stored, you can download it, all very easy.
Yeah, so it's definitely, Deco has helped us a lot in regarding into our wedding sign, people with seating charts, those type of things. We have a typical template. Someone wants something custom, you obviously have to reach out to us, but they can definitely take the few templates that we have and just edit the names and the table numbers and just print the file and it goes right onto the machine. It's great.
Now show us how this cutter works, because this is a big bed.
Monty, you want to show how the cutter works? You see, this is beyond my pay grade.
So I see like we've got little black dots are your registration marks, right?
Yes, this machine has a camera, and the printer prints on these black dots all around the machine, and the camera goes on, and it reads exactly where they are, so it doesn't matter where you place it on the machine, and then it just cuts it.
Let's try one now.
So the machine's going to turn on,
I see the blade is on there, right?
Yep. Multiple different knives, multiple different blades.
Because you might be at a different angle, or depending on what you're cutting through.
Material gets a different type of knife. And a blade.
Yep.
This can cut as thick as 2 inches.
2 inches?
Yeah, with the router.
And you can cut acrylic with this?
Yes.
Wow. And that's not a laser that would cut acrylic, it would be a blade.
Actually, a router.
A router, okay.
We have laser machines as well. That's what we're going to see in a second. That cuts acrylic.
Yeah, wow. And then you guys will take, I mean, you're almost building a puzzle a lot of the time. You'll just make a lot of pieces and...
Job literally was, we just did for Philadelphia Zoo a job, and it was literally 150 sheets that we printed and creating puzzles of all those, the music and fluting that I showed you, earlier.